Can a parent appeal a decision once it comes down when they have all of that evidence that has been laid out?
Yes, and there's lots of different ways to appeal. So, there's in New Jersey, there's 4 different findings that can be made at the end of a child abuse investigation. The worst case scenario is that the allegation is substantiated, and that means they found that this was child abuse and that it was so severe that they're going to place your name on a registry of people who have also committed child abuse. Now, that's a confidential registry kept by the agency, but it prevents you from being a foster parent or an adoptive parent. It prevents you from working in a daycare or working at a prison or in any form with the child abuse industry. So it does have severe consequences. If you appeal that, you have 20 days and you get a trial in an administrative court. If it's something less than a substantiated finding, the finding could be established or it could be not established. And both of those mean that there is either a finding of child abuse, an established finding, or not a finding of child abuse, a not established finding, but not so little that we say it's nothing. There's something of concern. If the something of concern rises to the level that they make one of those findings, you have the right to appeal, but you have to file a brief in the appellate division, which is a higher court in our state.
Sounds like a tremendous amount of legal costs, no matter how you slice it.
Yeah, it depends. It really does depend. The appeals where you have a substantiated finding, a lot of those appeals are handled very informally. The Office of Administrative Law was designed to be user-friendly. A lot of people are self-represented in those forums. When you do have an attorney, the process moves a little bit faster. However, the process is generally done by phone, a lot of communication going back and forth with the judge and the other attorney. A lot of things are resolved by consent. And sometimes the agency will just change their finding when you have a chance to really talk about it. Maybe you have your own expert report presented. Maybe they get some additional information from the time that they made their finding to the time of the hearing. So there are a lot of ways that those processes should be employed and can be employed to get you a good result without having to go through a substantial legal cost. But there is a cost involved in, of course, appealing.